Hi friends, today 18th May 2022. Let's see F&O Pulse. F&O Pulse is a future and options pulse. You will be catching the pulse of future options and equity stocks by using the particular stock charts. These charts you can identify the things. There are more than 75 screens available in F&O Pulse. To visit it, to know more about F&O Pulse, first step you have to register into F&O Pulse. Once you are registered, you will be getting an email verification to your registered email ID. By clicking that, activate your account for 1 day free trial. The 1 day free trial is for limited users. So you complete your registration and get your 1 day free trial before the offer getting closed. 1 day free trial offer. Now let's see about how the market is performing and how the F&O pulse strategies will be useful for our intraday trading. The first screen is home screen. Here we will be finding Dow futures. This will be able to understand how our market is going to open, and Bank Nifty futures, Bank Nifty futures, as all those things are available in the screen. Crude oil, USD, INR. So first you have to identify this, and according to this you have to make a decision how our market will be. The next step you will be going into market info. In market info, we are showing here the Bank Nifty, and sector-wise analysis of each and everything. Sector-wise analysis. The sector-wise analysis will give you the better understanding which sector is performing well. First, let's see about Nifty 50. The Nifty 50, out of 50, the 27 stocks are in advanced stage and 23 stocks are in decline stage. That means market was morning performing in upside direction, and afternoon it was in reverse direction. Overall, we can understand how you're going to select the stocks for intraday using this screen, this market info screen. For example, Tata Motors. For Tata Motors, when you see there is a price change, because there is a price change in percentage. Tata Consumers. Tata Consumers, you can be, let's see here how it went for today. Tata Consumers. See here, from morning it started like this. It started so when it was breaking the levels. Else you identify the if you taken the entry at 742, it went high up to it went high up to this one 757. Almost you got 15 points in this. For intraday trading, it will be very useful for you. Whenever you taking this Tata Consumers like around 1,000 rupees is trading stocks. If you book 5 to 8 points, that's good for intraday trading. Like that, you choose Cipla, Hindustan Liver, Adani Port. All those things are more than 1% change in price. So it will be useful for you to take a trade in this direction. Like say, this is in Nifty 50s. Like this, you can go for sector wise also and identify the stocks whichever you want to enter. Now I will tell you how to identify the indices in Nifty. Let's go and find the Nifty. Nifty, this is all about spot price. This is future price. The max pain is all about whenever the market is opening at showing the max pain. The max pain explanation that we have given in previous video. Who are not able to understand, please go through that video and make note of this. And PCR trend ratio details also given there. So it will be easy for you to understand how the market is going on. That means trend is bullish, bearish, and neutral. Three states are there, and also that trend rating is happening with 12 parameters with our thing. Then eight out of 12, 8 parameters are neutral, so it's showing as neutral. If it is in reverse direction, bearish or bullish, it will be showing 8 bearish, 8 neutral. Uh, 12 bearish, 12 bullish, like that will be showing the technical trend rating here. The technical strength, if it is above 80%, you can go for buying. Since it is from afternoon, it was performing downside, so it reduced to less than 80 percentage. Here you can see the Nifty futures. That means this is May month, this is June month, this is a July month's Nifty futures. Here the Nifty stocks are there. The mainly the Nifty future stocks are here. So from here you can identify which of the stocks are performing in futures. Same way you have to go for Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty also you will understanding the same way what I explained for Nifty. The same will be working out here. Same way this also the current month future, next June month future and July month future. And the Bank Nifty stocks are here. Bank Nifty future stocks. Next, let's see about the heat map. You all know about the heat map. The heat map is indicating the maximum number of banks which are in red colors are indicating the it was in negative side. The green color are performing positive. That means advanced greens are on advanced red on decline side. Nifty heat map also the same way. The stocks which are the 27 stocks which are we seeing that are in green color, the others are in red color. This is how the heat map is getting results here. Next is in screens. In screens strategy. This is very important for intraday trading. The stocks whichever mentioned here are future stocks. By this you can trade Nifty future and equity stocks and also options also. By the way, you can understand the market. That means here the buy levels are given and also the sell levels are given. If the once the buy level is executed, the background will become green color, and if it move positive side up to 10 points, the day high is 10 day is 791. That means it calculating the buy and also today day high. The total result is 10 rupees. As I told you already, if for Tata consumers, whichever the stocks is below 1,000 rupees, if you book 5 rupees profit also, it's a good for your intraday trading. Like that, you can, for example, let's see one by one. Let's see Adani Enterprises. This give 12 points. This was given 12 points. In Adani Enterprises, you can see the stocks here. That means this is the, if you want to see only the candles, you can remove the moving average 10 and moving average 20. And you can display only this candles here. Like that, you can customize your thing and watch the things here. Now let's see. The entry price is given as 2202. Let's see when the call is executed at what time. So this all are based on 3 minutes candle. So okay, let's see this one. 2202 is the entry price. Morning when it was 9:15 to 9:10, the last traded price is 2190. 2202 is our entry level. Around 9:48 to 9:51 a.m. it entered into that level. For that means the last 3 minutes candle, the last trade price is 204. So from there it went up to the day high. That today the day high you can see here 2214. So almost 12 points it's showing here. If you come out with 7 to 8 points, for example, if I entered around 2204, the last minute, the 3 minutes candle ending, if you enter, and if you definitely will be getting 10 points over here. Here it shows 12 points. That means the entry level given at this level, where you have waited and taken with the 3 minutes candle, you will be getting definitely 10 points here. Like that, you can do for futures, stocks, and also the options. Options you have to do carefully. You have to find the better strike price that I will be explaining. Like this, only the stocks are performing in this. Like this, the gap down and gap up and gap down list are here. So here you can find out with how the market condition open for today, and so that will be easy for you to go for that particular stocks and identify the thing. Super trend lists will be showing here, intraday lists. So now let's see about options. Option, this is the OA data analysis. From here only you will be finding the strike price. For example, if you're going for trading with bank nifty options, first you have to find which strike price will do better performance for the day. So today morning at 34,500, this was open around 202. It went high up to 322. That means the long built up formed morning. When the market start going downside, it becomes short built up. So here are the volume change and OA change, the percentage are showing very clear values. So we are entering this value, and you easily, if you book 40 points in Bank Nifty, that's a good for your intraday trading. Like that, at this is the left side all are call options, right side are put options. In right side the put options, the long 34,000. Sorry, yeah, the 34,000, and it's first it low with 65 and 780. It's 178 points. It went like that. This is one thing, and also morning the long built up 34 to 600. This is also a good signals. The all long built ups, if you see, all open. It's open around 265, and day I went to 305. 440 for 345, 438. Like that, if you see all those things, you will be understanding the concept, understanding how the market went. That means the from morning it was in morning bullish side, then it turned to bearish. That means it went low up to this and started the market turned reverse. If you catched around 250, you will be getting the better understanding of this. So like this, you can trade in Bank Nifty. Here next Nifty, the same way you can do it for Nifty also. The stocks, for example, let's see the Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer, I am going to Tata Consumer. Here the strike price are given. Here you can find this better strike price, and you can take your trade. Okay. You can take your trade. Definitely 5 to 8 points. If you're taking one lot or two lots, it will be going to give you a good return for intraday trading. So according to that, you can target for your options also. Option stocks. The active strike price. Here in the Nifty and Bank Nifty active strike price we are finding. We want to understand the OA difference first. The OA difference from morning around 10:15, it was above zero line. So we know we can understand the market is in bullish side. When it started touching this, it will be started touching this bullish line. In 3 minutes candles, the graph is drawing 3 minutes. Yes, when it touched zero, the definitely market is going for a downside direction, and definitely it will go further down. So morning around 10:40 it got narrow, and suddenly started moving downside. The same way you can do it for check it for Nifty also. Nifty also, the call OA interest, and this is there. I kept only the OA difference around. So when it is zero, the market was morning. It was in downside trend. It went up, and again it started coming, and it went total bearish. So this is one important screen for your Nifty options. Option chain is here. Like that, many and 75 unique screens are available in this. Yes, so you can go and check all those things, and stick into few strategies which you can do regularly and make a good returns in those things. And also in screens we have screeners. Here we are showing a maximum of all the technical parts, so that you can understand how it breaking the levels and how to take this trade. If you have any clarification, you contact our support team. They will guide you in all the things and explain you the things. And also, I will be explaining about the cost of this one. It's just 500 rupees. As now we are running it in offer only for limited time. So you can start with 500 rupees and make a good profit. But of daily, definitely, if you have if you know how to understand the things, definitely you will make 500 and above profit on daily intraday trade itself. It will be better for you to trade. This will be useful for equity stocks, options stocks, and futures stocks, Nifty, Bank Nifty, futures and options. Both all together, you can check it in this. This is F&O futures and options pulse. We have made it here easily to understand by you. Thank you. Happy trading.